Understanding ghostwriting and its process. Welcome. Today we'll explore ghostwriting and how it helps authors bring their ideas to life. Ghostwriting is when someone writes for another person, capturing their voice and ideas to create content. The process begins with a thorough discussion to understand the author's vision and objectives. The ghostwriter drafts the content, often using information and style cues provided by the author. They immerse themselves in the subject matter, ensuring the content feels authentic and engaging. Editing is crucial. The ghostwriter revises the draft based on feedback from the author for clarity. Collaboration continues until both parties are satisfied with the manuscript, ensuring it meets expectations. Once the manuscript is finalized, it moves towards publication, and the author takes the credit. Ghostwriting is versatile. It can cover books, articles, speeches, and more across various genres. It's a collaborative process that requires creativity, patience, and adaptability from both parties. Many successful authors have benefited from ghostwriters to articulate their unique narratives. Ghostwriting can help individuals like celebrities and professionals share their stories authentically. Through ghostwriting, hidden voices can emerge, delivering stories to wider audiences than ever. Regular feedback and communication ensure the project stays aligned with the author's mindset. Brainstorming is essential. Generating creative concepts sets a strong foundation for narratives. Setting deadlines keeps both the ghostwriter and the author on track throughout the process. Detailed research enhances the factual accuracy and depth of the content being created. Detailed research enhances the factual accuracy and depth of the content being created. The creative environment is vital for inspiration. It motivates ghostwriters to produce their best work. After a project hits the market, the satisfaction of seeing it published is immensely rewarding. A successful project can forge lasting friendships and professional relationships between partners. Many ghostwriters use specialized tools and software for organizing ideas and managing drafts effectively. Understanding literary styles is crucial as ghostwriters need to adopt various voices throughout projects. With dedication and commitment, ghostwriters often spend countless hours perfecting their manuscripts. Inspiration can come from anywhere. Many find stimulating environments helpful for creativity. Authors often provide unique perspectives and personal anecdotes that enrich their narratives. Research is the backbone. Each section of the content needs reliable foundations to resonate with readers. Drafts evolve through multiple versions, improving structure and flow before reaching the final piece. Authors often go through the text carefully, ensuring every sentence aligns with their original intent. Engaging with peers opens new perspectives, enhancing creativity and contributing original ideas. Modern technology facilitates seamless communication, making remote collaborations easier than ever. Continuous improvements based on honest discussions lead to exceptional end products. Seeing a finished product brings joy and affirmation of successful collaboration with a ghostwriter. Book launches are celebrations of achievement, showcasing the hard work of authors and their ghostwriters. Readers connect with the stories, unaware of the collaborative effort behind the scenes. Acknowledging ghostwriters is essential. They play a pivotal role in storytelling despite being behind the scenes. Networking opens doors to more opportunities for ghostwriters and nurtures professional growth in the field. Ghostwriting opportunities come from diverse fields, from corporate storytelling to fiction. The library represents storytelling's power, where many famous tales were ghostwritten and celebrated. Ghostwriters invest deeply in stories, ensuring each project reflects genuine passion and commitment. Inspiration fuels creativity. Staying motivated is crucial for ghostwriters to continually produce great work. Positive reviews and accolades can bring validation and encouragement to ghostwriting endeavors. Many ghostwriters thrive in creative environments that inspire their thoughts and writing productivity. Digital tools help streamline the writing and editing processes, making ghostwriting more efficient. Visual brainstorming engages the mind and allows effective ideation for compelling narratives. Travel can inspire fresh content. Ghostwriters often draw from diverse experiences to enrich storytelling. Organization is key. Having a clear outline helps the writer stay focused during the drafting phase. Ghostwriters use various tools, From classic pens to advanced writing software, fostering creativity. Collaboration enriches the process, bringing diverse ideas together for a cohesive final product. The writing journey is illuminated with creative ideas that groove on each click of the keyboard. Thank you for joining us on this journey of understanding ghostwriting. Happy writing!